back, guys. It's time for the razzle dazzle of Tinseltown with Bollywood this week. Salman Khan and Katrina Kaif attended Beena Kaag's daughter's wedding in Jaipur.
सलमान खान किस तरह की भूमिका में आज नजर आएंगे मैम इस रियल लाइफ में?
एक भाई की भूमिका में ही नजर आएंगे। स्वागत करेंगे बारात का। जी, कटरीना को आज कोई शूट करनी थी ज़रूरी, तो कटरीना कल शाम को चली गई।
Vivek Oberoi and Sushmita Sen had a bash with the winners of the I Am She contest.
मेरी बेटियां जब तक उस उम्र की होंगी कि वो ब्यूटी क्वींस बन सके, मैं इतना ज़रूर वादा करती हूँ आपसे कि आई एम शी तब तक इतना मजबूत हो चुका होगा एज अ ब्रांड कि हम लोग मैं सारा काम छोड़ के सिर्फ उन्हें ट्रेन कर रही होंगी। आई बी ग्रूमिंग माई डॉटर्स टू गो फॉर मिस यूनिवर्स।
Shahrukh Khan, I love him. I think Shahrukh Khan is like God to me. From the first day of my pageant, जब से मैं आई थी, मैंने सुष्मिता मैम से यही बोला था कि I know you and Shahrukh are very good friend. और मेरा बचपन से सपना है कि मैं शाहरुख से मिलना चाहती हूँ, तो प्लीज अगर कुछ ना हो तो प्लीज आप मुझे शाहरुख से मिला देना।
The IFA press conference was a mix of Bollywood and cricket with Hrithik Roshan, Vivek Oberoi, Jacqueline Fernandez, Sanjay Dutt, Kumar Sangakkara and Sanat Jayasuriya.
Thank you everyone. I'm very happy to be here. Happier because it's IFA time. Best time of the year. Sorry if I seem a little overexcited, but yeah, I love IFA. Well, first of all, congratulations to IFA for its 11th anniversary. I truly salute and support their vision of one people, one world.
Aishwarya Rai Bachchan launched Pratish Nandi's book of poetry again.
Good evening, everyone, and I would just like to say that I'm no orator. I haven't done this before, reading poetry aloud to an avid, attentive group of listeners, people who appreciate good poetry and good writings. But I must thank Mr. Nandi for introducing me to again, because it's just beautiful writing, wonderful thoughts penned down in verse, and I'm glad I've been introduced. I do have to take a leaf out of his advice for your son, where I want to dig out your earlier works and be introduced to them. So please help me discovering your collection of thoughts.
Gulzar has it actually. सोचा था जिंदगी में हम भी पन दिखलाएंगे कुछ, सोचा था जिंदगी में हम भी पन दिखलाएंगे कुछ, कुछ बनने के चक्कर में रह गए, बन ना पाए कुछ. That poetry he had found he would never be able to publish, and it would have not been for 40 weeks on New York Times.
Time to spice it up with some itsy bitsy interviews. Katrina Kaif had no complaints of being pampered on the sets of Rajneeti.
You know, you get to be like the little princess on set, and they're all gentlemen and wonderful people, and they were so kind and always really supportive of me, and it was a wonderful little unit that we made in Bhopal, which is where we shot the film.
Manisha Koirala on juggling her marriage and movies.
Oh, don't ask me, because I'm running between press conferences, from finishing my shoot, then my organizing my wedding. My mother is panicking कि मैं अभी तक नेपाल पहुंची नहीं हूँ, तो it's been a hectic for me, और I guess, but it's an exciting time.
Ajay Devgan on his power-packed role in Rajniti.
He's picked up characters from Mahabharata, so I play Karan. He's the leader of the Dalits and how he makes his way up and then tries to fight a war.
सालों एड़िया घिसते रहे, चापलूसी करते रहे उनकी, और वो नेता ऊपर से टपकाते रहे। पावर पैदा करें हम लोग और बटन दे दें उन लोगों के हाथ में।
Romance is in the air. We'll leave you with some cuddly moments from the making of the song Jab Mila Tu from I Hate Love Stories.
जैसे रोशनी सुबह से हो जाए जुदा, जैसे गाने और नज़म से सुर को ही चुरा ले, वैसे आधा अधूरा मैं हूँ तेरे बिना। जब मिला तू
Keep watching Bollywood Hungama News Network.